you're having diabetes and are finding it hard to manage your blood sugars throughout the day, maybe your blood sugars is fluctuating throughout the day. It's high sometimes, sometimes it gets low. Then you have to eat something sweet to make it back to normal again. Then perhaps there's something that you can do about your morning routine that will help you manage your sugars better. So let's look at 9 things that you can incorporate into your morning routine that will help manage your blood sugars. First of all, it's hydration. So as you get up in the morning, it's really important that you drink water because drinking water will rehydrate you and that will give you more energy to do your morning exercise and your regular morning day to day routines. Secondly, you need to eat something that is high in protein. I usually suggest my patients to take almonds that they have soaked overnight, or maybe some chia seeds, something that is high in proteins and good fats. It will prevent your blood sugars from fluctuating much. If you're someone who drinks tea or coffee in the morning, I'd say preferably drink unsweetened tea or coffee without milk because that is the best for managing your blood sugars. Then the most important part of your morning routine to control your blood sugars is exercise. If you do your exercise in the morning, that will help prevent blood sugar fluctuations. If you're someone whose blood sugars tend to drop very fast if you're taking insulin, then take a light snack, maybe a banana or a fruit, or maybe a handful of nuts again, so that your blood sugars doesn't drop while you're exercising. It doesn't happen for everyone. Make sure that you're hydrated anyway. Then, when you're exercising, always warm up. You have to make sure that your body is warm enough and your heart rate has increased a little bit before you do the proper exercise. You can do your regular head rotations, move your body a little bit, walk a bit, or whatever gets the blood flowing so that you don't get muscle injury while you're exercising. Then do at least 30 minutes, 45 minutes if you have time, of some kind of exercise. It can be walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or then you also have to do some body weight exercises to strengthen your muscles. So mix it up. Don't do the same thing every day because if you are doing the same exercise every day, then the effect of that exercise actually reduces. People who walk for maybe a couple of kilometers every day, every morning, it's really good that they're walking, but over a period of time, your body gets adjusted to that exercise and the benefits reduce. So always mix it up. If you are running maybe 2 or 3 days a week, it's well and good, but then do some strength training in between on some of the days also. And once you've finished doing your exercise, cool down, stretch your muscles, and hydrate. Drink lots of water. So the entire thing, including warm up, cool down, and the exercise, should take you around 1 hour. Uh, Set aside that time of the morning for exercise, and it will do a lot of good. Once you have done your exercise and you're back home, have a wholesome breakfast. That is, your breakfast should be just like any other meal of the day, it should be well balanced. There should be some carbohydrates to provide you enough energy throughout the day, but there should also be enough fiber and proteins in your breakfast. Because what happens is normally when you are eating, especially in the Indian scenario, we hardly have any proteins for breakfast. And if you are having a very high carbohydrate rich breakfast, your blood sugar will plummet by mid morning around 11 a.m. And those of you who have diabetes will know that around mid morning you'll start feeling hungry. And if you're not prepared for that, you'll end up eating something really sweet or carbohydrate rich again. And then again the blood sugars will go up, it will come back again. This is what causes the blood sugar fluctuations. So, to prevent that, first of all, eat a wholesome breakfast and be prepared if your blood sugars crash around mid morning. Have something healthy that to snack on before it crashes so that you don't eat something that is not good for you. You can maybe have some fruits, but something like a guava or a pomegranate or a not so ripe papaya, something like that. Or you can even have a salads, cut cut vegetables, or maybe even sprouts. And the most important part is that maintain your routine throughout. because those people who eat at erratic times actually tend to have more complications related to diabetes than those who follow a stricter routine.